Hello, let's solve this Olympiad mathematics using a different method from the previous one we did. Now we have that bracket x plus 9 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 49. Now from our knowledge, if you have x squared plus y squared, this is just like telling you x plus y bracket x plus y. This is same as what this. Now watch. X bracket x plus y, I'm using this x to multiply x plus y. I'm using this y to multiply x plus y. X multiply x will give me x squared plus x multiply y will give me xy. Y multiply x will give me xy. Y multiply y will give me y squared. Then I'm now going to have x squared plus xy plus xy plus y squared. Xy plus y squared will give me 2xy. So I'm having x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now we're applying the same knowledge to the question. So x plus 9 all squared is same as telling you x plus 9 bracket x plus what 9. Then let's expand. This x here will multiply this second bracket x plus 9. Then this 9 will multiply the second bracket also x plus 9. X multiply x will give me x squared. X multiply 9 will give me 9x. 9 multiply x will give me 9x plus 9 multiply 9 will give me 81. Then I'm left with x squared plus 9x plus 9x will give me 18x plus 81. So after the expansion, so I'm going to use this to replace this. So since I have x plus 9 bracket raised to the power 2 is equal to 49, let me replace. So this will now give me x squared plus 18x plus 81 is equal to 49. Then 49 will cross the equality sign to come and meet 81 to be minus 49 because this is plus 49. So I'm going to have x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49 is equal to 0. Then I have x squared plus 18x. 81 minus 49 will give me 32 is equal to what? 0. Now we've gotten a quadratic equation. Then we are going to use factorization method. This is 18x. We are going to use factorization method to solve. And we are going to look for the factors of 32. Factors of a 32, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, and 32. These are the factors of 32. So we'll pick any two numbers that if we add, it will give us 18. If we multiply, it will give us 32. So we are picking 16 and what? 2. So this will now give me 16 and what? 2. So let me just put my x here, So 16x plus 2x will give me 18x. Then 16 multiplied 2 will give me what? 32. So we're going to use 16x and 2x to replace 18x. So I'm going to have x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32 is equal to 0. From here, I will group. Let me factor out. I have x here, I have x here, I'll bring it out. Then I'll now do x squared divide what I factored out, which is x, plus 16x over what? X. I'll close my bracket. Now plus 2 can divide itself and divide 16, so I'll factor out what? 2. Then I'll open my bracket, then I'll now do 2x all over what I factored out, which is 2, plus 32 all over what? 2 is equal to what? 0. Then let's cancel. X will cancel x squared to give me x. X will cancel x, I'm left with 16. 2 will cancel itself and left with x. 2 dividing itself is 1. 2 dividing 32 is 16. So outside the bracket, I have x plus 2 bracket x plus 16. Now we have x plus 16 on both brackets, so we'll just pick one since they're the same. Then since bracket x plus 2 bracket x plus 16 is equal to 0, this is just telling us that x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 16 is equal to 0. Then plus 2 crossing the equality sign becomes minus 2. So I have x is equal to 0 minus 2. So my x is minus 2, or x is equal to 0 minus 16, plus 16 crossing the equality sign becomes minus 16. Then x is equal to minus 16, because 0 minus 16 will give me minus 16. So the two values I got is minus 2 and what? Minus 16. Now let's check if our answer is what? Correct. I'll bring down this expression, x plus 9 all squared is equal to 49. Now when x is equal to minus 2, wherever we see x, we replace it with what? Minus 2. So this will now give me x plus 9 all squared is equal to 49. So I'll replace this x with minus 2. So I have minus 2 plus 9 raised to power 2 is equal to 49. Minus 2 plus 9 will give me 7, because I have 9, I'm owing someone 2. If I give the person 2 out of mine, I'm left with 7. So this is 7 squared is equal to 49. 7 squared will give me 7 multiplied 7, which is 49 over 49. So minus 2 is correct. Let's check when x is equal to minus 16. Let's see if our answer is correct. Then I'll bring down the expression x plus 9 raised to power 2 is equal to 49. Then I will substitute x with minus 16. So I'm going to have minus 16 plus 9 all squared is equal to 49. Now minus 16 plus 9 will give me minus 7 all squared raised to power what? 49. I have 9, I'm owing 16. If I give the 9 half, I'm still owing what? 7. If I'm owing, I'll indicate with a negative sign. Then minus 7 bracket raised to power 2 means minus 7 multiply minus 7. Minus times minus is plus, is equal to 49 here. 7 multiply 7 is 49, is equal to 49. So our answer is correct. Thank you for having me today. Bye-bye.